Concor held a strategic meeting with GAIL India Limited to explore new collaboration opportunities. The meeting brought together senior leadership from both public sector enterprises to discuss expanding cooperation in PTA transportation and LNG infrastructure development. RailTel Corporation of India has announced that it has secured a major domestic work order from the Directorate of Education, Government of the National Capital Territory of Delhi, for setting up computer laboratories and supplying laptops in government schools across the capital. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited has approved raising funds through an unsecured rupee term loan/line of credit of up to 4,000 crore rupees from the State Bank of India. In a major push for sports development and youth empowerment, NTPC Limited has announced the establishment of state-of-the-art archery academies in the districts of Mayurbhanj, Kendujhar and Sundargarh in Odisha under its CSR initiative. Mahanadi Coalfields Limited has announced that Himanshu Jain, IRSSE 2007 batch, has assumed additional charge as Chief Vigilance Officer of the company. Shri Jain is currently serving as CVO at South Eastern Coalfields Limited and has previously held the position of CVO at Northern Coalfields Limited. The company announced that Kariveda Narasimha Reddy, Executive Director, has ceased to be part of the senior management after superannuating on April 30, 2026. NTPC stated that the update is for information and record of the exchanges and reflects routine leadership transition following retirement. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited has informed the stock exchanges about the appointment of Dinesh Mahur as part-time official director, government nominee director on the company's board. NALCO reported a net profit of 1,718 crore rupees, marking a decline of 17% compared to 2,078 crore rupees in Q4 FY25. Revenue from operations stood at 5,013 crore rupees, down 5% from 5,268 crore rupees in the same quarter last year. Mineral Exploration and Consultancy Limited has signed a memorandum of understanding with GeoVale Services Private Limited, a notified private exploration agency, to strengthen collaboration in the mineral exploration sector. Power Finance Corporation Limited has announced the appointment of Shri Rajesh Kumar Agarwal as Director Finance on its board and Chief Financial Officer. The decision was approved by the Board of Directors in its meeting held on April 30, 2026.